Welcome to the Worldprofit AI Marketing Ecosystem, a complete online business platform designed to bring together affiliate marketing, AI automation, traffic generation, and professional training in one connected system. Since 1994, Worldprofit has helped members around the world access the tools, support, and structure they need to build and grow online. Worldprofit was founded by George Koch and Sandy Hunter, and their leadership is a major reason the company has lasted for decades. George Koch, CEO and co-founder, brings a background in math, physics, and military aviation as a retired Canadian Air Force captain and jet instructor pilot. Sandy Hunter, president and co-founder, helped shape Worldprofit into a member-focused company known for support, innovation, and long-term vision. The Worldprofit ecosystem is built around three powerful pillars. First, the AI suite, which includes smart sales agents, AI website tools, and automated content creation. Second, the traffic engine, with rotators, visitors, solo ads, and internal traffic systems. Third, the training and conversion system, with video lessons, live workshops, and sales funnels. Together, these three pillars create one complete online growth environment. Meet Sophia, your 24/7 automated sales agent. Sophia is Worldprofit's automated AI sales agent, designed to engage prospects through voice and chat around the clock. She can welcome visitors, answer questions, and guide people toward offers automatically. Sophia helps members create a more responsive and professional sales experience, even when they are offline, busy, or asleep. Worldprofit's AI tools help members create sales pages, review pages, websites, images, and content quickly and efficiently. A user can start with an affiliate link or a PDF, choose a style and tone, and generate professional marketing assets in seconds. This dramatically reduces setup time and helps members launch promotions faster with less technical work. Traffic is one of the biggest challenges in online business, and Worldprofit addresses that with a built-in traffic engine. The Diamond URL Rotator promotes member links across thousands of sites. The Traffic Blaster sends targeted visitors into offers and funnels. The Ruby Solo Blaster gives members access to a large internal audience. This creates real visibility and helps members get their pages seen. The WorldCoin Ad Exchange adds a powerful internal traffic and reward system to the platform. Members can view ads, earn World Coins, and then use those coins to advertise their own offers. This creates a practical circulation of traffic inside the ecosystem. It also encourages real engagement through timed views, reward mechanics, and direct member interaction. A major strength of the Worldprofit system is the training behind the tools. Members receive access to weekly live workshops, practical business guidance, and more than 150 step-by-step video lessons. Topics include list building, SEO, social media marketing, and AI automation. Members also gain access to digital products they can use for lead generation or resale. The associate membership is the free entry point into the Worldprofit ecosystem. New members can join at no cost, explore the training, access starter tools, and begin learning the system right away. They also receive a traffic bonus and can start earning commissions by referring others. It is designed to help people get started without financial risk. The Silver membership is where members unlock more serious traffic, commission potential, and automation. Silver members receive stronger earning levels, advanced promotional tools, upgraded memberships, and deeper access to the AI ecosystem. This level is designed for people who want to move beyond basic access and build real momentum in their online business. Platinum VIP is the top membership level and delivers the highest level of leverage. Members receive stronger commissions, ongoing monthly traffic benefits, additional World Coins, and full access to advanced AI creation tools. Platinum is built for serious marketers who want more automation, more reach, and more earning power inside one connected business platform. The platform is reinforced by real member feedback and success stories. Members describe the AI tools, training, and ecosystem as practical, innovative, and results-driven. These testimonials show that Worldprofit is not simply a collection of features. It is a working system that real people are using to build confidence, generate activity, and create results online. Worldprofit emphasizes transparency, consistency, and long term business values. The company highlights its established reputation and makes it clear that success still depends on action. The tools, traffic, and training are there to create leverage, but real results come from using the system consistently and applying what is taught. Worldprofit brings together traffic, AI, training, and affiliate marketing into one mobile-friendly ecosystem that members can access from almost anywhere. Whether someone is working from home or on the go, the platform is designed to stay accessible and easy to use. And the best place to begin is with the free associate membership at worldprofit.com.